This is Mazda cx-5 2021. I just noticed the problem. YouTube has now a lot of video about this issue. If you have problem with this belt locker, when you put inside this belt and it doesn't work, you should first check the mechanism of this. My problem was here was plastic. It came from this hole inside and it appeared here, and doesn't lock because here was trash. How I open this box, you can just see how this connecting. Honestly, I scratched plastic, but it's opened like here top, then with these fixators it's very hard to open, but you can try to put down and trying to click, but it will be hard, but you will be know how exactly this works, because for me it was the problem. Sorry for my English, but I explain how I can.